It's essential to remember that the Aegis RS2 is a retail system rather than a boutique or custom build like something from CyberPower or iBuyPower, which you should personally avoid both of those brands because after some time, they fall apart. Um, they use a lot of cheap components, whereas like something like MSI, Lenovo, Alienware and such, Alienware, you're more so paying for the name than anything else. They use more quality parts that, for the most part, last longer. Like this right here is using all MSI parts, so you don't have to worry about really the quality of it falling down after some years. Whereas like iBuyPower, CyberPower, after your